How to become a web front-end developer in 2024? This is the Beginner's Bootcamp, and here I will take you by the hand from zero to hero. So let's dive right into it. By the way, this is just a sample of what you will get on my course on Udemy, Become a Web Front-End Developer 2024 Beginner's Bootcamp. If you want to have the full version, head to my description link. Another thing we need to include is the alt. The alt is the alternative attribute. This is to specify text for users who cannot see the image, possibly for many reasons. Maybe they are visually impaired, or something has gone wrong causing the image not to display correctly. Maybe there's a mistake on the path. So if there's a mistake, then the alt will serve for that purpose. So now let's talk about marking up text. This section will cover some of the essential HTML elements you'll use for marking up the text. Headings. A heading element allows you to specify that certain part of your content are headings or subheadings, in the same way that a book has the main title, chapter titles, subtitles. An HTML document can too. HTML contains 6 heading levels, from H1 to H6, although you commonly only use 3 to 4 at most. Here are the main headings, H1 to H6, but you're always gonna use maybe 1 to 4. So we're gonna save it and we're gonna reload the page. So we're gonna reload the page. So the main title becomes the H1, my top level is H2, my subheading is H3, my subheading is H4. And we already spoke about the paragraph. So these are the headings and this is the paragraph tag. Ready to transform from a complete beginner to a skilled web developer? Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide and become a web developer in 2023. My course on Udemy is your passport to mastering web development with ease. Designed especially for beginners, this course covers the essential pillars from HTML, PHP, JavaScript introduction, Angular, and the real roadmap you need in 2023 to become a web developer. But that's not all. What sets this course apart is the inclusion of the FB system. What is the FB system? It's a full bootcamp in 7 steps. This system is your guide to understanding, memorizing, and implementing the code effectively. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to confidence as you navigate all the complexity of web development. Moreover, this course isn't just about learning, it's about becoming career ready or job ready. Equip yourself with after skills in PHP for dynamic web applications. Learn to implement crucial user authentication, making your projects not just functional but job ready. And by the end of this course, you won't just be fluent in web development languages, you'll be equipped with secure opportunities in the field of web development. Increase the chances of being hired and step confidently into the world of web development. So don't miss out on this transformative journey. Enroll now. The ultimate beginner's guide in 2023. Become a web developer in 2023. So don't waste more time. Click on the link on the description and enroll right now.